Alright, what do we got here, my friends? This thing looks absolutely epic. I saw this when I was getting a computer for my son. I was like, gotta have this. It's got the nice little headphones, and it's also works as a speaker system as well, I'm pretty sure. Let's unbox this thing. That's what we're doing right now, the unboxing. And this is the XPG EMIX H30 SOLOX F30 gaming headset amplifier stand. First of all, the box itself is like, I mean, look at that. It's pretty cool. So let's get these little things out of here. Always be careful when you're using sharp objects such as scissors. Try to cut away from yourself. Okay, there's one. And so come on. Yeah, I like the fact that it was a headset, as well as I think it does like a speaker job. As you know, if you don't want the headset, I believe you could perch it on the little stand and do that, but maybe I'm speaking out of turn. Perhaps I should just continue with the unboxing here. Always cut away from yourself if possible. Maybe I should have, cut these before I started the video. I don't know. I think people like the struggle here. The struggle's real getting these packages open. Okay, good thing I got a helmet on. There we go. Okay, so now that that is all undone, it looks like the bottom, this slides right out. So we'll put that on the side for now. It's actually kind of cool. Okay, so that leaves us with this deal. I'm looking like it's just the top's gonna open up here. So yes, indeed it does. So this packaging is fairly impressive. What we have on the top is a nice little layer of foam here. Oh wow. Okay. Inside, check that bad boy out, my friends. That looks pretty spiffy here. Okay, so I'm going to try to pull this out if I can. And I can. Looks like this is the bass part, maybe. Okay, it has gaming, videos, talking, music, min, max, obviously for some adjustment of the audio. There's that. It's got two USBs on the sides, a mini, what is that, mini USB maybe? Audio cable, headphone jack, and a microphone jack on there. So that's that. As we pull off, oops, sorry, here appears to be the microphone right in there. Okay, so now we pull off this nice thick piece of foam here. They really didn't want this to get damaged. Look at that. So that is really good packaging here. This is fairly sturdy looking. Okay, secondly, we have this. I'm not sure exactly how this thing sets up yet because I haven't set it up yet. That will be in the next video, but appears to be some kind of maybe it stands like that on your desk. Boom, maybe something like that, I think. So that's that. I think it appears to be metallic and fairly sturdy. Yes, this is like a thicker kind of plastic. We got on the bottom rubber mat, so that must be how it sits on the desk, like that. Okay, so that is actually pretty cool. It looks like futuristic. Let's put that aside. All right, my friends, we're not done. We're just starting on this one. In here we have, oops, where's that cable at going? That is a nice piece of foam there. Okay, the cable is running into this box here. So let's open that up. Okay, that's it for that. Set that aside gently. I think that's it. Okay. And what is this? Oh my. Alright, so that's that for that box. In here we have instructions. And a nice little bag here. Okay, that wow, that is pretty comfortable. Anyways, let's not get carried away there, shall we? Let's see what the wires are here. Actually, let me see here. This is like a super like thick kind of mesh bag. It's got, just thought I'd point out the features of this. So it's got a secondary pocket here with Velcro, and this main bag here, I believe that you can put your headphones in. So that is actually a really comfy looking bag for whatever you're putting there. It's also got a drawstring here. Let's put that aside. Okay, so the wires that I pulled out of there, we're looking at the headphone. Oh my goodness. Okay, so your headphone, coming off the headphone is, looks like we have probably, we got USB probably for power, one that's marked headphones, and one that's marked microphone. So those are all going to plug probably into your base here. Like I said, this is just mainly the unboxing, so haven't really got that all set up yet. Okay, and this one, this one's got a USB on one side, and then a USB and a, oh forgive me, I'm not sure what this little one is called. You guys probably know. It's a smaller one. I'm not 100% sure on it. So that's like that. We have the tower part right here, and looks like that can just hang right on there like this. And also I believe that this part goes right there on the bottom like that. So it's going to look something like that on the desk, which I think it looks actually really cool. So pretty excited to get this thing all set up and running. So yeah, thanks for watching this unboxing, my friends, and I think you can get this off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below if possible. Thanks for watching this unboxing. I'll be doing a review soon, so stay tuned for that, and everyone have a great day out there. Happy Thanksgiving.